We have a right triangle, ABC, with the right angle at point B. The vertical side, AB, is 2 units long. The base, BC, is divided into 2 parts by point D. Segment BD is 1 unit long, and segment DC is 5 units long. Our goal is to find the measure of angle X, which is angle CAD. Here's the idea. Instead of trying to find angle X directly, we'll express it as the difference of 2 angles. Let's call the angle at the top of the large triangle alpha, and let's call the angle at the top of the smaller triangle, ABD, beta. Notice that the larger angle, alpha, is made up of 2 angles, beta and our unknown angle, x. So, x equals alpha minus beta. Now let's take the tangent of both sides. That gives us tangent of x equals tangent of the quantity alpha minus beta. And now we can use the tangent subtraction formula. Tangent of x equals the tangent of alpha minus the tangent of beta, all divided by 1 plus the tangent of alpha multiplied by the tangent of beta. So all we need are the values of tangent alpha and tangent beta. Let's start with the large triangle. For angle alpha, the opposite side is the entire base. Its length is 1 plus 5, which is 6. The adjacent side is AB, which is 2. So, the tangent of alpha is 6 divided by 2, which is 3. Now let's find the tangent of beta. In the smaller triangle, the opposite side is BD, which is 1. The adjacent side is still AB, which is 2. So, the tangent of beta is 1 divided by 2. Now everything is ready. Let's substitute these values into the formula. Tangent of x equals the quantity 3 minus 1/2, all divided by the quantity 1 plus 3 multiplied by 1/2. Now simplify the numerator. 3 minus 1/2 is 5/2. Next, simplify the denominator. 1 plus 3/2 is also 5/2. So, tangent of x equals 5/2 divided by 5/2, which is simply 1. And if the tangent of an angle is 1, that angle must be 45 degrees. So our final answer is x equals 45 degrees. If you solved it before the end, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.